My name's Tony Nadon. I'm from Saskatchewan. I have 28 plus years of emergency services. 6 of those were with EMS in Saskatchewan, and the rest of the time I'd made the switch to policing, and the last 22 years have been with the Saskatchewan Police Service. So in that time I've really had the experience of seeing what's going on and impairment on the street and what happens to individuals. However, I want to expand on that, and I've always had an interest in safety and compliance as an employee. So I wanted to bring to the public just the importance of impairment within workplaces.